Is anybody in there? Hello?
They're there. Welcome to Hill on Two Wheels, everybody.
Oh my God. So
go ahead.
Why are we here?
We are here to welcome everybody to the behind-the-scenes production for our 2019 Thunder Roads NorCal calendar.
Yes. And we are so thankful for Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys for being our corporate sponsor again for the
2
second
years in a row.
year in a row.
Oh, those guys are great. They're super active in the motorcycle community, super supportive of the whole community, and we couldn't be prouder to have them as a partner helping us put this thing together. So every month is owned by a different business. That's how we put this thing together, and all the businesses advertise in Thunder Roads Magazine NorCal. They get first dibs at it, and once it's done, we got 12 months to work with. So once it's done, it's done.
And it doesn't happen that a month becomes available. So
yeah, this is our 5th year doing this, and
we have a lot of people that have been with us
for 5 years.
Yeah, so that's really, really cool. We really appreciate you all. Thank you.
Yeah, everybody that's involved, we really appreciate them, and we have a blast working with everybody that's involved too. So that's the most important part. It's fun to do.
So tell everybody how it happens. I mean, the business, they get their models. Sometimes they
the businesses, a lot of them are motorcycle shops, but so we shoot their bikes. And we do like a specific shoot for each business that's involved in the calendar. So they each own that month. That's the banner on the bottom of the calendar, is to let you know which business sponsored that month.
Sometimes they bring their own models, and sometimes they don't.
Sometimes we provide them.
Right.
And then you can find the calendars at those business locations, which we will list below in the description, as well as
you can go to our website, Thunder Roads NorCal, and we'll put the link down below.
And you can order a 1-year subscription. You get 12 issues of Thunder Roads Magazine NorCal and
a free calendar.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And you know what? Christmas is right around the corner.
Great stocking stuffer.
You'd like that for a stocking stuffer, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I would. I'd love it.
Really?
I would. Speaking of which, we had a great group of girls this year.
They were phenomenal to work with. I mean, they were reliable.
All of them were on time for the shoots. They showed up looking great, and just all of them had great personalities and were just really fun to work with. So we had a blast doing the photo shoots.
And they did too.
And just the whole production of the calendar this year was a really good time.
It was fun. Hey.
Have you subscribed yet?
Yeah, wait a minute. What's the statistics about people that watch?
Oh, yeah. So we were looking on our thing the other day, and it looks like 90% of the people that watch our videos have not yet subscribed.
Why would you not subscribe with a barrel of fun?
No, so we're getting really close to 1,000 subscribers. So help us out. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, just hit that subscribe button.
It's so easy. It's right up there.
Ring that bell. It's right down here, I think.
No, it's up there.
Somewhere. Anyway, ring that bell too. You'll be notified when a new video posts. And just come on. I mean, we're just out here. We can't believe you guys are all watching anyway. We're just out here having fun. So we really appreciate everybody that's watching and subscribing and commenting. We just love to interact with everybody. So we're just having fun. So come on and join us.
Come join us. You can do it.
And
just join us.
Get us over that 1,000. That'd be awesome. All right, here we go. Behind the scenes, 2019 calendar. Let's go. I'm thinking if we can get a shot like right there,
Yeah.
we can grab the sun, reflect it back onto the bike.
It is photo shoot time. We're in Hollister at Corman Technologies, and we are doing a photo shoot for Hollister Power Sports for the 2019 calendar.
See, that's what I'm talking about, some attitude. Ray, step towards Mike just a little bit. There you go. That's perfect.
What are you doing, Paul? Huh?
Trying to be like Roland.
Hey now.
What am I doing? What am I doing?
Shit.
Oh yeah, it's much better.
And you might want to get up a high stand.
You know it, don't you? But you know I got cash to put on it, don't you?